The first time I knew something was really wrong is the night before I presented, and I couldn't use my chopsticks. The next day I was in doing teaching rounds at UC and ICU, and I was talking with the residents, and I just went aphasic. I couldn't talk. I was a professor of pediatrics at Cincinnati Children's and was working collaborative research with my colleagues in Western Australia, and that was going very well. And then all of a sudden I had this tumor come up. So from there I just sort of went into emeritus retirement status because I can't drive, and I'm limited in other ways. My ability to write is really screwed up.
So Alan has glioblastoma, which is a WHO grade 4 brain cancer. It's highly aggressive, and the survival with this brain cancer is abysmal. He had a right frontal glioblastoma, which was amenable to being taken out surgically, and he chose to wear what was called the Optune device. And he did that for 12 months, and he had very stable imaging in forms of MRIs of the brain, and he is having a phenomenal quality of life. I see him every 2 to 3 months, but he's in touch with me on a regular basis. We also discuss gardening, plants, and he has my strawberry plants, so I'm hoping that we'll have a tea at some point when the weather is nice with shortbread and strawberries from the garden that he and I have grown.
I've been totally satisfied with my care at UC. Most people who have this are dead within 6 months, and so I'm 2.5 years out. Hope means to me that I can continue to be active and that I continue to sort of do some of the things I want to do. So I just have to make the best of it and do the best I can and do as much as I can that satisfies me, and hope for the best.